What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to unbox our December Nomadik box. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So if you're new to my channel, we do Nomadik subscription box unboxings every single month. So this is the December 2022 box. We're going to bust into this. If you're new to Nomadik, these are subscription boxes. You go sign up for 1, 6, 12 months, and they send you a really awesome box in the mail. They tell you that it's valued at around $50 per box. Your box is going to run you, if you do a 1 month subscription, it's going to run you right around $33. If you stretch it out to 12, it's going to drop per box down to about $29.99, $30 per box. So you save a little bit of money going long term. You can stop any month. So you can say, hey, I'm not going to be home at the normal delivery time. Can you stop that one? I'll skip it. You still get your number that you paid for. And if I open this box and there's anything that's damaged from shipping, doesn't work, I already have one. All I've got to do is reach out to Nomadik and they'll send me a replacement item free of charge and pretty quick. I've done it one time and it worked really, really well. So let's dive into this. We're going to use the Swiss Army, if I can get it turned the right way, Victorinox Tinker, one of my favorite knives. We're going to use this. Let's go to small blade here. So we've got a little small blade, and I did a review of this knife. I'll put a card up top. You can go check this out. But this is the Victorinox Swiss Army Tinker. So let's get in this box. Now, I will tell you that I paid for a subscription to Nomadik. After that subscription ran out, they did start sending me some boxes and to open up and do updates and unboxings for you. So let's get in here. Oh, all right, so each month you get a cool little pamphlet here, and we have a theme on the bottom. This one is winter ready. Sun's not gonna let you be able to see it, but it says winter ready there. And then as you open this up, you've got descriptions and a list of everything that's in the box with a cool picture here. And you've got some tips that usually relates to the theme. It's got a Nomadik challenge, which is good for 30 days. And then on the very back, you have the shop, which I'll have a link to in the description below. You can get over to Nomadik, make a purchase. You can purchase individual items. You can purchase individual boxes. Like if you see an unboxing that I do and you like the gear in it, you can go purchase that particular box. That is select. It's not every box, but it is some of them. And there is a list of brand discounts that usually relates to the items and the brands that are in this box. So now that I have rambled, we're going to keep this to the side in case we need to read up, in case we get anything in here that we don't know anything about. So let's see what we have. I already see something really cool, but we're going to save that. So what we have here, aluminum capsule from Coglins, however you pronounce it. These are really cool. I have a very small version of this for toothpicks that goes on my key ring. And so it's just a waterproof screw capsule. So you can put anything in there. You can put medicine in there if you were going camping, hiking, and it's gonna keep it watertight and not let anything happen to it. So these are really cool. It does come with an attached carabiner. It says this is medium size, so I guess they have multiple different sizes. It says great for a lens cloth, first aid items, fishing tackle, tinder, currency, all that kind of thing. So there's that. Those are really cool. Those come in really handy. So I see our sticker. So here is our sticker for the month. And let's see, All Good Sport Sunscreen. This is SPF 30. So it's kind of like a chapstick tube, like an extra large chapstick tube. So these work really well, especially with kids. You want to get it around on their face and stuff. Whether you're hiking or whether you're at the beach, whatever, those come in very, very handy. Let's see what else. We have a beanie from Deso, D-E-S-O, made in the USA. Deso Supply, not a whole lot on here. It says 1% for the planet. Let's see what our pamphlet says here. Knit right here in the USA. This soft, heavy knit watch cap beanie from Deso features a High Sierra inspired bristle cone patch and a classic cuff construction, a warm and stylish companion for any of your winter adventures. I love me some beanie hats. Oh yeah, that is pretty warm. The classic cuff design is not just a slip over beanie, so these are really awesome. I love these. I love the dark color ones, that way I can wear them hunting if I need to. So we have one last thing, I think. Oh, we have a coffee mug. So from In Camp, an insulated carabiner cup, 12 ounces. So you have a pivoting carabiner there and an insulated coffee cup. You can see that. In Camp. This is really nice. I like the carabiner addition. That means you can clip it on your pack or whatever you need to do, and it's right there. So this is pretty cool. It is insulated. It's pretty thick. So yeah, stainless steel coffee mug. You can never have too many coffee mugs. Well, that is it. That is our December box from Nomadik. So we had 4 items. We had a coffee mug. Get that in there. Let's get our carabiner turned to the side. We've got a coffee mug. And let's talk about this too. The attachment point. Those are on there. Pretty rugged. They're stamped in, and I don't see them coming off. So that looks pretty rugged there. And the design is really cool on that. So we've got a coffee mug. I'm upset we don't have coffee in this month. We got a coffee cup. So we got a really cool beanie. We've got our sunscreen and our chapstick tube. And then we have our waterproof capsule there, which, like I said, everything in this box I see as useful and beneficial, and I will use everything in this box. I may not take this hiking with me just because normally where I hike it's not beating down sun, but yes, everything in this box will get used. Some of this stuff I'll come back and give you updates, give you reviews on, but there's that. We have our really cool sticker, which 99.9% of the time we get a really cool sticker in each box. Only had 1 or 2 boxes that we didn't get a sticker in. And but yes, Nomadik. Link in the description below. Get over, check out Nomadik. Price goes down the more you purchase. They also have a quarterly box that only comes once or 4 times per year. Yes, I had to think about it for a second. Quarterly box, it does cost a little bit more, but is a bigger box with pricier gear. So if that's something you're interested in, you can get over and check it out on the website. Link in the description. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, I do these every single month, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that little bell so you're notified when new videos drop. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.